This might be the best custom family van we've ever built, and there's features inside that'll completely change the way you take road trips. Hey guys, I'm Tate with Beachside Custom Vans, and today we're touring our latest van build. This family rig is for sale right now, and if you're interested, DM us or the link is in the description below. We built this on a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter van 3500. It has only 28,000 miles, super smooth, safe highway drive, and built on a diesel engine, so it's made to last. Step inside and you'll see this is not a basic passenger van. It features a beautiful walnut slat ceiling, high durability gray Marathon Plus walls, and a premium lawn seal flooring. This van is designed to look like a luxury apartment, but still be easy to clean up after the kids. One of the highlights of this van is the premium leather interior with 10 passenger seating. This van is equipped with a rear TV entertainment system with a premium stereo sound system designed to keep the whole family entertained on long road trips, long weekends, or even parties. This van is equipped with 6 premium captain seats, all on swivel bases. This van also offers a 4-person bench seat that converts into a bed. Let's dive into the systems. To keep the entire lounge perfectly cool on hot days, we installed a massive 12,000 BTU 12-volt AC unit. Everyone stays plugged into their own entertainment with our built-in TV system, premium sound system, along with standard outlets with USB and USB-C. Everything in this van is powered by this Victron power system. Everything is powered by a Victron 200 amp hour battery and a 2000 watt inverter. You have 2 easy ways to keep it charged: an alternator charger while you drive, or shore power on the exterior of the van when you plug it in at your destination. If you're ready to upgrade, this family rig is ready to go. If you're interested, please DM us, and all of our links are in the description below. We'll see you on the next tour video.